factors contribute to my success rate? First and foremost, in the driver's license restoration forum, we have a guarantee. If you hire me to be your driver's license restoration lawyer and I take your case, you're going to win. It's on my website, it's a guarantee. You'll pay me once and you'll get your license back. I make my money winning these cases the first time. In DUI cases, I think it's the approach that we have. We are unique and we're different. I believe in information. My website, my blog is loaded with that information. I think probably more important than all of that, though, is the personality that I bring to the table. My staff and I are friendly and approachable. We encourage people to call, and then we encourage people to call around. We're funny. We believe that somebody should find a reason to smile, even though their situation may be serious. So I think we bring a real-world perspective to things, and a friendliness and an honesty that's refreshing. And my staff and my legal team, my lawyers and I, are never satisfied until we have produced the best result possible. I think the golden rule rules here. Treat others as you would want to be treated. You know, there's an old saying that doing the right thing, or integrity means doing the right thing when you do something and no one sees or knows. And that really is true. When you could take a shortcut on a case and no one would know about it, and you don't because it's not the right thing to do, because you're thinking, would I want this done to me? If you have that as a guiding principle or a guiding moral compass, then you're doing it right. And I believe that contributes to our success.